Imagine a volcano so powerful its eruption could darken the sky for years. Volcanic ash would blanket continents, burying entire cities. This is not science fiction. These are supervolcanoes, and they are scattered across our planet like ticking time bombs. These slumbering giants pose a catastrophic threat to humanity, a threat we are only beginning to understand. The Earth has witnessed their fury before, and it will again. The question is, are we prepared? Supervolcanoes are not your typical cone-shaped mountains spewing lava and ash. They are massive depressions in the Earth's crust, known as calderas. These calderas are scars left behind by eruptions thousands of times larger than any witnessed in recorded history. Yellowstone National Park in the United States sits atop one such caldera, a simmering giant spanning 3,472 square miles. Another notable supervolcano lies beneath Lake Toba in Indonesia, a silent threat in a seemingly tranquil paradise. What sets supervolcanoes apart from their smaller, more common counterparts is the sheer scale of their eruptions. A supervolcanic eruption releases over 240 cubic miles of volcanic material, enough to bury entire states under a thick blanket of ash. These eruptions are measured on the Volcanic Explosivity Index, with supervolcanoes ranking highest at VEI 8. The largest volcanic eruption in recorded history, the 1815 eruption of Mount Tambora, was a mere VEI 7, yet it caused a year without a summer globally. Imagine the devastation a VEI 8 eruption could unleash. Section 4. Echoes of the Past. The Toba eruption and humanity's near extinction. The Toba supervolcano eruption approximately 74,000 years ago offers a chilling glimpse into the potential consequences of such an event. This cataclysmic explosion was so powerful that it ejected vast amounts of ash and gases into the atmosphere, altering the climate dramatically. The eruption, the largest known on Earth in the last 2 million years, plunged the planet into a volcanic winter that lasted for years. The skies darkened and sunlight was blocked, causing temperatures to drop drastically. Global temperatures plummeted, leading to widespread ecological collapse and pushing many species, including early humans, to the brink of extinction. The harsh conditions made survival incredibly difficult, with food sources becoming scarce and habitats destroyed. Genetic studies suggest that the human population may have dwindled to as few as 3,000 to 10,000 individuals, a near-extinction event from which we are still recovering. This bottleneck in human evolution had profound effects on our genetic diversity, shaping the course of our species' development. Section 5, A World Reshaped. Imagining a supervolcanic eruption today. If a supervolcano erupted today, the consequences would be catastrophic, altering the course of human history. The immediate impact would be regional, with pyroclastic flows, superheated gas and ash traveling at hundreds of miles per hour, incinerating everything in their path, leaving nothing but devastation. Volcanic ash would blanket continents, collapsing roofs, clogging engines, and contaminating water supplies, making daily life impossible. The long-term effects would be global, affecting every corner of the Earth, with volcanic aerosols injected into the stratosphere, blocking sunlight and causing global cooling. Agriculture would collapse, leading to widespread famine and food shortages. The global economy would grind to a halt, plunging nations into economic despair, and societal order would likely break down, leading to chaos and uncertainty. Section 6. Facing the inevitable, preparedness, and the uncertain future. The likelihood of a supervolcanic eruption happening in our lifetime is thankfully low, but it is not zero. However, the potential consequences of such an event are so severe that we cannot afford to ignore the risk. The devastation could be global, affecting climate, agriculture, and human life. Scientists constantly monitor known supervolcanoes, looking for signs of unrest, using advanced technology and methods. However, predicting eruptions remains a challenge due to the complex nature of volcanic systems. We are still in the early stages of understanding these powerful forces of nature, and much remains to be learned. International cooperation, scientific research, and disaster preparedness are crucial to mitigating the risks posed by these sleeping giants. Communities near these volcanoes must be ready. The survival of our civilization might one day depend on it, making our efforts today all the more important.